pump the gas for me? No. Diesel goes in the truck, but regular gas goes in the boat.
I will put in the boat.
Now get it off. You gotta pick up on it. Ooh. And see the hole right here?
I can't reach it.
There you go. Stick it in the hole.
I can't do it.
There you can. What's going on, y'all? Travis here, Best Habits, and me and Sophie out here, Lock 17. She's out of school for Thanksgiving. I had some vacation in Burns, so we're off all weekend. We're gonna go fishing all week. So hopefully we can get her on some stripes. She ain't never caught a stripe before. Go here and do that. It's not really as cold as I thought it'd be. The truck said 41 degrees, and it ain't even really that cold. But get here a little late just because I figured it'd be cold. I don't want to bring a 4-year-old out here in the cold, but get here and see what happens. Water temp 62 degrees. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to go fast? Hold on, let me see.
We got that big fishy. Get that big fishy. We got that biggest fish ever we got. You're the meanest fishy. Is that the meanest fish?
Oh yeah.
Do it bite?
No.
It bites little fish?
Yeah. You want to hold it?
No, it bites.
It ain't gonna bite you.
Does it have no teeth in it?
No.
Huh?
So if I caught you a baby fish, what's up? I got you a baby fish.
Can we keep him? Can we put him
We'll put them in the box, but we can't take. What you see?
Otter.
That's your little baby otters. You gonna catch them? You finally up from your nap? You ready to go now, ain't you? No. What happened?
My house fell out.
But we recovered it. I set it down here where it can dry out. It's soaking wet. We got it though. Cheer up. What's going on? Tell your lure to catch them?
Yeah, but I can't get one. I'm trying to get one, so then what will happen? I'm going to put it in there.
We'll just sell it.
Nothing.
Oh. A little largemouth.
Huh?
A little largemouth.
It's raining. But that's
What are you doing?
holding this fish.
Well, you gotta put him in the water before he dies.
Oh, I want fish die.
No.
Ride or die.
middle.
Oh, can't do it.
There. What are we doing?
We're getting our picnic. Do it again.
Alright, we're back at it again. Won Lock 17 the other day. It was okay. Didn't do a good ending on the video because the storm rolled in, wind started blowing real bad, started raining. So right here, Riverview today, totally different. Cold, windy, stuff's bundled up, looked like a Michelin Man. I got leaves sticking to my legs because the wind blowing so hard. But change the scenery. Who we got today?
Puppy.
He gonna catch a fish. We're gonna go ahead to Riverview and see what we can do. One thing I hate about Riverview, fishing's always somewhat good, but this right here, getting in the boat's aggravating.
Yeah.
Gotta park the boat down here and back in the jungle. Savvy, what are we doing? Look at me. What are you doing?
Getting warm.
Getting warm. Knot is.
Uh-huh.
Clip it at the knot.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Good job.
What's on me? What are you doing? You got a fish?
Yep.
What? No. That just scared me. Fishy! Can you hold it?
You want to hold it?
Ah! Come here, And I was trying to catch a fish, like that one. I was looking for you, my cutie. I'm stuck again. Daddy! Ooh, Daddy, you got the biggest fish! Daddy, you got the big one, but I can't get this stuff on my face.
Well, hold on. How'd you get tangled up like that?
I don't know.
I was off for 5 seconds.